Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 23rd of November 2021, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what have we seen so far this week? Yes, of course, again, gold has tanked exactly as we discussed with you on last week's Gold Asset of the Day. Everything that we talked you through last week has played out absolutely spot on. Gold prices, they've now broken down over 1,000 points from the high to the lows that we've seen now on Tuesday. We talked you through this step by step over the last couple of weeks on both the week ahead commodity report and also gold and silver asset of the day. Feel free to just go back and watch last week's report where we talked you through gold breaking back below $1,800 per ounce within the next week, and that's of course when gold was already trading around $1,860 per ounce. So this is all played out within the Thanksgiving week, where you've got contract settlement, end of month profit taking, and of course the usual volatility and lack of liquidity that you get in the lead up to Thanksgiving, with many traders going off, particularly in the USA, for their holidays, booking profit. We've also seen that exaggerated moves in the market that you often get at this time of year. As we talked you through, there are massive opportunities to be had between now and Christmas. The volatility that we've seen even on Tuesday has been incredible to trade this. So we've obviously seen gold over 1,000 point move lower in the last week. Palladium, as we talked you through last week, we banked over 4,000 points over 2 trades. Palladium in the matter of the last 4 sessions has broken down almost 4,000 points. Platinum, we banked over 1,150 points last week, and now this week we've already seen it break all the way back down to 2-month lows. Silver as well, it's broken down 4%, all the way back towards its swing lows. We've also seen this play out on the energies at the end of last week, breaking back down to key levels that we've taken advantage of over this week. In fact, just on Tuesday, we banked 1,200 points across gasoline and crude oil, taking advantage of this slingshot move higher that we got on Tuesday. So of course, for every 1 lot that you would be trading, 1,200 points profit, that's $12,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you would be trading, that's $120,000 of profit. Now, I'm throwing a lot of different numbers out at you at the moment. It's purely because we have seen massive moves over the last week, very much like we talked you through. There's a massive opportunity between now and the end of the year to really get yourself that Christmas bonus with this volatility in the market. It's very straightforward at this time of year to capitalize. You've already seen everything play out we talked you through before, which is the metals to sell off into Thanksgiving. Gold, silver, platinum, palladium, they've all absolutely tanked in the last week. Again, go back, watch the week ahead commodity report, watch our videos last week on gold and silver, the metals to tank from the middle of November. This is, of course, where many traders out there, they get ultra bullish on the metals after a breakout, expecting much higher prices, and then there's another rug pull in November before you then get back to much more attractive prices right at the end of November into December that you absolutely want to make sure that you are capitalizing on. Now, this week we've got Wednesday, minutes of the FOMC, then we've got Thanksgiving on Thursday, we have Black Friday on Friday. Moving into next week, we also have the last few days of the month, and then we're moving into the month of December. Non-farm payrolls data on the Friday, then we have the FOMC statement and the European Central Bank announcement into December as well. There are going to be back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on and really make sure that you end on a massive high and hit the ground running into 2022 as well. You really want to make sure that you're skilling up at this time of year. If you want to increase your income, you need to increase your skills. And there's really never been a better time of year for you to capitalize on the current market volatility. Jerome Powell has just been nominated as Fed chair. With that, we saw the dollar break out to 16-month highs. Treasury yields, they spiked 1.6%, gave some massive opportunities to buy the dips on energies this week, with crude oil and gasoline prices having a huge move to the upside on Tuesday. So again, it's the time of year you absolutely want to make sure that you are maximizing, and you do not want to be using outdated technical analysis or gimmicky indicators where you're constantly getting delayed confirmation. You'll end up always buying too late into the move, getting FOMO, and essentially you'll get chopped up and you'll just get crushed in these markets, only trading technical analysis. This is where you want to be utilizing statistics, data, market intelligence. Alongside that, make sure that you're aware of the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, Learn, of course, key areas of liquidity, sentiment, capital flows in the market. Alongside that, learn and understand the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles for each commodity. We talked you through a lot of this in detail over the last couple of weeks. Expect that mid-November sell-off. We're seeing all of that play out, and there are some great cycles now to capitalize on at the end of November and throughout the whole of December into Q1 of 2022 that you do not want to miss. And of course, you want to marry all of that up with how the hedge funds, money managers, the banks, and the institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.